Welcome to Props for Parties video guide on how to set up your party props. First thing you need to do is open the box and have a look inside. You've got two bits of paper. First bit of paper gives you a general overview of our party prop hire and also a little reminder about the date you've told us that you want us to come and collect your props after your event. So just take a note of that, and if there's any problems, let us know as soon as you can. And once you put your props back in the box, if you can secure the box with the cable tie, that would be much appreciated. The other bit of paper you'll see is written instructions on how to set up your party props. You're welcome to follow these, or if you'd like to see how it's done, stay tuned. The Rollup Banner. Cost effective, easy to set up, visually stunning in your venue. It's a no-brainer. So here it is, the Rollup Banner. Comes with the Rollup Banner itself and a pole split in 3 sections to help it stand up on its own. Step-by-step instructions. All you need to do, grab the Rollup Banner, rotate the feet out like so, place it on the floor. Poles. Put the poles together like so. Once they're linked up together, then just pop it in the back of the Rollup Banner. Important note, whilst you're doing this, make sure that the pole goes under the lip at the bottom, otherwise it may lean forward. So just make sure the pole's gone all the way down to the bottom, and that's it. Next step, roll it up. First things first, you need to make sure you've got 1 foot on one of the feet at the bottom. This is to make sure that the Rollup Banner doesn't accidentally slip up. So 1 foot on the bottom, 1 foot on the pole with firm grip. Grab the Rollup Banner, lift it up. When you get close to the top, twist the top of the Rollup Banner to make sure it connects to the little black lip at the top. So all the way up, give it a twist, job done. It's so much easier setting the Rollup Banner when you're stood at the back of the Rollup Banner. Don't try and set up Rollup Banners when you're stood at the front, because here I can hold the pole, here I can twist, you've got more control over it, so set it up like that. 1 Rollup Banner, done. Some Rollup Banners just have a tendency to either lean forward or lean back. To fix this, all you need to do, just pop something under the feet at the back to make it lean forward, or put something under the feet at the front to make it lean back. Party's finished, you've had a great time to take down your banners. Really easy again, making sure you've got 1 foot on one of the feet, firm grip on the pole, firm grip on the banner, twist at the top, roll it down slowly. Slowly. Sometimes the banner will kind of go left or right a little bit, so it'll feel like it's stuck, or that the spring doesn't want to suck the banner back into the cassette. So all you need to do, whilst looking at the left and the right, just make sure the print is in the centre. So if the left and right a bit, left and right a bit, left and right a bit, job done. Pull the pole out, dismantle the pole, legs go away, back in the box.